Potty training is not just for puppies, older dogs can learn too. It might take some time for them to adjust, but with the right approach and positive reinforcement, your older dog can become fully potty trained and confident in no time. Establishing a routine is one of the most important parts of potty training an older dog. Dogs learn best when they know what to expect, so try to take your dog outside at the same times every day, especially after they wake up, eat or play. This consistency helps your dog understand when and where they are supposed to go to the bathroom. Choose one specific spot outside where you want your dog to go to the bathroom. Taking them to the same place each time helps them recognize the familiar scent and understand that this is their designated potty area. When your dog finishes, praise them warmly or offer a small treat right away. This positive reinforcement helps them connect the spot and the behavior with something rewarding, making them more likely to repeat it in the future. Always use positive reinforcement when potty training your dog. Reward your dog with treats, praise or gentle affection whenever they go in the right spot. Crate training can also be very helpful, as dogs naturally avoid going to the bathroom where they sleep. This controlled environment helps your dog learn where it's appropriate to go and builds good habits over time. If your dog has an accident indoors, it's important to clean it up right away. Use an enzymatic cleaner designed to break down pet odors and stains, as this completely removes the smell that might attract your dog back to the same spot. Cleaning accidents properly helps prevent repeat mistakes and keeps your home fresh and odor-free. Dog pee pads offer 5 layers of protection that quickly absorb and lock in liquid to prevent leaks, keeping your floors, bedding chairs, and furniture clean and dry. These pads turn liquid into gel within seconds for easy cleanup. The soft, quilted top layer is comfortable and gentle on the skin, making it ideal for babies, adults, and pets. These versatile pads can be used as baby changing mats or pee pads for dogs and cats. Dog diapers provide up to 6 hours of leak protection and instantly turn urine into gel to keep your pet dry and comfortable. The adjustable and repositionable Velcro tabs make it easy to get a perfect fit without sticking to fur or irritating the skin. These diapers are breathable and stay securely in place without slipping or bunching. They are designed to handle both urine and feces, keeping your pet clean and comfortable. With patience, consistency, and plenty of positive encouragement, even an older dog can learn new habits and become fully potty trained, making life easier and happier for both of you.